Hello, Michael. Paul here. So we've got your old transom bow cut out, which is right here. That's your old transom bow, and it's roughly 7/8 thick mahogany. Let's see if we can. Yeah, so that's your old transom bow. Your new transom bow, we made it out of a little better grade of mahogany. It's African mahogany. Made it out of that. It's right here. And he's making the transom plank right now as well. And then we'll be replacing the ends of these planks, about 2 foot long for our shortest one, and up to about 4 foot long. And you can see these are just crumbling away. It's as far back as it's going to crumble, but we have to cut it back farther to put our connections. We don't like to put our connections between the same set of ribs. So we have, we'll be making one connection back here and another connection on another plank over in this frame station, and then a connection on this plank up in here. So, they'll all be in different frame stations. But that's, we're getting ready to start going back with planks. But but we know that getting our transom bow in here is going to be our next thing that we do, because we'll lock it in here, fasten it in right here, fasten it in on the ends where it fastens. We're supposed to fasten. This plank's still good right here, but we'll be replacing planks this one, and short plank on these guys here. So anyhow, looks like we're going to be pretty close to budget. Might be a little over because it's a little more extensive than we thought we were going to have to do, but because we have to do the transom bow in addition to the planks. But looks like we might come in pretty close to that. So anyhow, just wanted to give you an update. Talk to you soon.